Hello friends, welcome to D Jeeps Modifiers, the Jeep Modifiers. So now we are showing you the Jeep of Mr. Kedarnath Dulla from Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. So he visited my profile on OLX and sent his old Jeep for modification. We use only chassis of the old Jeep and rest of all the items like differentials, body shell, engine, gearbox, lights, all is we have fitted of disposal and new. Now have a look around the Jeep, then we will go for detailed description. Actually it's looking like an off-road Jeep, so fully closed with roll bar. But this is two-wheel driven civilian Jeep. The outlook is just like off-roader. First of all, we will start from engine. So we have fitted engine of Scorpio SZ 2600 chain drive engine. So same gearbox of Scorpio two-wheel drive. So we have done the overhaul of the engine. Okay, so that is turbo 108 bhp, more than Bolero engine, so more pickup than Bolero. Bolero brake booster fitted with power clutch. Okay, new radiator, Roots horn with Mercedes power steering. It's very smooth, maintenance free, no leaking. So this is all about engine. We will start from front from accessories. So this is Stinger bumper with LED fog lamps and another LED round fog lamps within bumper. We have given an extra pipe for the bumper that is inside the Jeep. You can see here, this is rear side. We have also fitted tandem tire carrier. Tandem tire carriers means you can open it. You can open it like tailgate, like this. You can open your stepney, but there is no tailgate, so no usage of this tandem tire carrier, but we can use it for a show purpose. Okay, so this is the locks of the bumper. We have fitted 10-liter plastic jerry can on rear side, so that is inside the Jeep because the Jeep is ready for loading, so we have not fitted it properly, so we have kept inside the Jeep. So here are the brake lights and rear back gear lights and hunting lights. So these are on separate switches, on reverse gear and on other switch, full switch. Okay, so this is the bumper. We have fit Creta lights, and these are on indicators. These are brake lights and parking lights. So here are another indicators on both sides. See, later we will show you how to blink these indicators. Okay, on front side we have fitted orange indicators on both fenders, parking indicators, headlight grills just like Willys MB, round lights. So I will show you how these work. Okay, so indicator first. So rear side also. Left side. I'm showing you another feature. We have fitted rock lights under fenders. Rock light under fenders. See, Above all the tires, under fenders, we have fitted rock lights. Rock lights, so these are connected with rock lights. Rock lights working. So now parking is on, so all lights are on parking. So the Jeep is now in reverse gear, so that's why the fog lights are on. Now we will talk about body ornaments. So this is the Iron Man ornaments, hood ornaments, imported from Dubai, fitted on hood. Okay, so paint is firecracker Wrangler type, red, with vinyl stickers. Rock slider solid one, with double mouth exhaust. Body handles just like Willys. So we have fitted Terraflex shockers. These are basically used in off-roading wheels. So Mr. Kenaner bought these for 20,000 and we have fitted in with solid mountings on chassis and differentials. All four is there. All four shockers with solid mountings. So we have fit 4-wheel disc on this. There are 4 discs. Rear side is also fitted with disc brakes. You can see disc brakes. Front differential is of Kingpin, open knuckle 2-wheel driven, pickup differential with disc brake. And hood top we have make it in fully closed. The curtains can be rolled. Seats we have fit of Creta 2018 model seats with gear console, pockets. There is a tool beneath the gear console. Okay, Sparco gear knob with music system, with pilot switches we have made fitted. RPM meter along with speedometer. Big glove box we have used. The panel is just like Willys MB style. Roll bar inside the body for safety purpose. Marine waterproof speakers with roof light, imported one from Dubai. 3 more pilot switches for more connections. In future we can fit a light bar on frame, another lights on windshield. So seat belt is there, properly fitted. Steering is of Suzuki, same Maruti car assembly. Okay, so let me show you inside. There is no central rear seat, so only cushions are there for sitting. Side cushions and center cushions. So another this is the net. When we open the hood, we can fix net on all coverings like hood. So this is the Jeep we have seen. We also sell modified Jeeps and also restore original Jeeps. If you have some old Jeeps with you for modification, we can do as per your choice, or you can exchange with us with your Jeep. So please subscribe my channel for more videos and updates on Jeep. Thank you.